Welcome to the Fairy Godmother Show. Guess who's here tonight? The villain moms. Snow White's mom. Talk to us. What really happened with that apple?
I always tried to be a perfect mom.
I had no idea the apple went bad in that old fridge. Misunderstandings, once they happen, they never go away.
Let me tell my side of the story. I hoped that she could do her own share of chores. Maybe I pushed her too hard. She started sneaking out to the dance parties.
I couldn't bake a single decent cookie.
Wow, cookies!
So they ran to a stranger's house just for snacks.
Do I really look that scary?
Oh,
I just tried to give them a hug and they totally freaked out.
Probably just too hot.
I just don't get it. Can we ever be good moms?
aha! Don't worry, moms. Bespoke AI will help to write your own happily ever after. For every kind of mom. Enabling better living. Bespoke AI.